viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Binance Smart Chain Wallet, and in this video we are going to add new coin Chainlink in both of network. The first network is Ethereum, the second network is Binance Smart Chain Wallet. And if you need to save your coin for long term, so you must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So here, first of all, I'm going to open Coinmarketcap, and then we will check the rank of Chainlink, and also discuss about Chainlink coin. What's the price, which is the rank, and all-time high, all-time low. You can see here the Bitcoin price is this time $18,793, and Ethereum price is $1,500+. So if we check the Chainlink, so Chainlink rank is almost 24 number. On 24 number, Chainlink is rank. The short name is Link, and the price is $6.71 and 0.14% up in one last hours. And if I click on it, so you will get all information about Chainlink, this main page. You can see here the price, and if we check the price graph, so click on all. When Chainlink is listed, so almost price 1 cent, and all-time high almost $50. The huge reward and ratio, but this time price is $6 only. So you can also read the article about Chainlink, founded in 2017. Chainlink is blockchain layer to enable the universally connected smart contracts. And if you need to buy this token or coin, so you can use these exchanges. The big name is available here, like Binance, Coinbase Exchange, FTX, KuCoin. And if you need to check the website, so simple click on website area, and there is shown chain.link. This is the official website of this coin, this token. Basically this is developed on Ethereum base, but today we are going to add in both network, also Binance Smart Chain and also Ethereum network. This is official website of Chainlink token, and you can read about it. Power the future of smart contracts. All information you will get from this option. Okay, so if you need to add this coin or add this token on your Binance Smart Chain Wallet, simple open the Binance wallet and enter your password here. I'm going to enter my password here. Simple click on unlock. After unlock, you can see here we have selected already Binance Smart Chain Network, and first we are going to link add in Binance Smart Chain Wallet. After that we will add in Ethereum network. So going to simple click on bscscan.com and open simple right here link. So you can see here shown here Binance Patch Chainlink Token. I need to add in our Binance Smart Chain Wallet. Simple click on it. So before going to use this wallet address in your Binance Smart Chain Wallet, so when you are going to deposit, so you must need to select BIP20 network, not use ERC20 network. If you will use ERC20 network, your fund will be lost. So keep in your mind, you just use BIP20 network. You can see here there is option is available, plus button, and click on assets, custom assets, and simple paste here. My contact address is correct, then all information will be shown in this portion. Yes, you can see here all information shown here: Binance patch Chainlink token link, and you can see here they also shown the decimal here, means the network and our contact address is correct. So simple click on add assets. Now the new token is added successfully in our Binance Smart Chain Wallet. You can see here there is shown Binance patch Chainlink token. Simple click on it. If you need to deposit, simple click on receive button. After this wallet address will be open in front of you. You just simple copy and send that person who want to send the money. So first phase is complete and first network is complete. And if you need to use ERC20, simple click on the network area, then click on Ethereum network. I have select Ethereum network, and you can see here I have already added on Ethereum network 3 to 4 tokens. So now going to get the contract address of Ethereum. Simple click on it. Now find the contract address. You can see here this is contract address of link token but Ethereum base. So also keep in your mind, when you are going to use Ethereum network, then you can use ERC20 network, not use BIP20, because if you will use BIP20, so it's maybe your fund will be lost. Okay, so simple click on plus button and open custom assets, and then paste here your contract address. So I think my network is correct and also my contract address is correct. Then the all information will be shown on this portion. Sorry because we have copy this contract address from Binance, so that there is shown wrong. So now I have copy from etherscan.io, directly open from Coinmarketcap page, and click on plus button, and custom assets, and paste here. And now we will check is it correct or not. Again problem here, it's maybe some problem here. This is Ethereum, and if we need to add plus button and click on custom assets and click first of all copy, and after that paste here, trying to add custom assets. I think there's some technical problem, but we have add in our Binance Smart Chain Wallets, but you can see here it's maybe there is technical problem, but you can see here now shown here all information about Chainlink. Simple click on add assets. So you can see here viewers, we have also add in our Ethereum network in link token, and also add in Binance Smart Chain Wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in English language than Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallet. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.